Okay, for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do long division with some slightly larger numbers. So I'm just going to get rid of the previous question, so I've got more space. So we've been presented with 4,284 divided by 18. So step one, write your multiples of your divisor. So your multiples of 18 are all listed here. So again, it makes it all nice and easy to calculate. So we're going to pop our numbers now in the correct place. So our dividend, 4,284, is going to go inside, and our divisor is going to go on the outside. So let's start with the question, as always. How many groups of 18 can I make from 4? Well, I can't make any, and top tip is probably going to be 0 quite a lot of the time. I'm now going to join these two digits together, so I've got 42, and I'm going to use my multiples of 18 column to help me work out how many groups of 18 I can make. So let's have a look. The first one group of 18, 2 groups makes 36, 3 groups makes 54. Well, 54 is going to be no good to me because that's bigger than what the question's actually asking. So I'm going to be looking at this one. So I'm going to pop the 2 at the top of the bar here, and I'm now going to subtract the 36 from the 42. Oh, I've just deleted my 2. So I'm now going to subtract 36 from 42. Again, you should be able to do that in your head. But let's practice our column subtraction. So 2 take away 6 can't do, so I'm going to exchange. So 12 take away 6 is 6. 3 take away 3 is 0. Let's go back to that key question again. How many groups of 18 can I make from 6 now? Well, can't do it. So I'm going to go to this next digit. So we've used these digits. I'm now going to use this one. I'm going to slide it down next to the 6. And it's now going to become 68. Let's go back to that key question. How many groups of 18 can I make from 68? So let's go to my multiples of 18 and find the number as close as we can to 68. So 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, so I can make 3 whole groups, and its partner in crime is 54. So I'm now going to put the 54 down here, and I'm now going to subtract them. So 8 take away 4 is 4. 6 take away 5 is 1. So I've been left with 14. How many groups of 18 can I make from 14? Well, I can't do any. So I'm now going to slide this next digit. So this little digit's on its own at the moment. It's got nothing to do. So we're going to slide it down. It's his time to shine. Down to center stage. So bring the 4 here. We've now got a new number of 144. So how many groups of 18 can I make from 144? Well, let's have a look at my multiples down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You've probably already spotted. I can make 8 whole groups for 144. So I'm going to pop the 8 up here. And just to prove I'm at the end of my calculation, 144, take away 144 gives me 0. So I know I'm there. So 4,284 divided by 18 is 238. On the next video, I'm going to show you how we're going to calculate an even bigger number.